What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we're gonna go ahead and show you an epilogue or a journey throughout this weekend for Riverside 2024. New to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and stop talking and get to the rest of this video. Right here we got our little lineup. Good little lineup of whips. If you're in the ATL region, please go ahead and hit up ATL and Mobile Detailing. Then we got Rich Man over here. Everybody on TEs and I'm on Yeehees. Crazy. And way down there, let's see the barn find. We got a barn find. He don't know it yet. Let's go. It did old that nigga birthday. Look at him. He don't got comfort. He don't got comfort. Just stared at the kid.
Feel land.
That boy got everything. First stop before we eat. Right here.
Man, we ain't paid last time. What's going on with this, bro? Man, look, all the cars, bro, that's the outside, meat inside. So what they pay for?
It's crazy. I'm telling y'all now, this is gonna be my next car. Minus maybe the cheetah print, but this is it. Everywhere. That's very hot.
So, congratulations.
Live fast and eat what? That is a crazy shirt.
Toys and shit. Turn. Grown ass man talking about toys.
Pretty good. So, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
If you rate this car as
Yes, I would.
we got a couple questions about extras. So I want you to see the rate this Alright, a little quick pit stop. In the middle of nowhere. Let me get that shirt. Let me get that shirt. Throw it right here. If he throw it at me, that'd be crazy. So we at the next portion. We're doing like a free t-shirt giveaway. Yeah.
Why, who you texting? They think I'm finna slap myself out just to get a free shirt. Look at all them out here. Look at them.
Me on the other hand, bring me that shirt.
It was.
Bro, if he was to hit under and make that second shot, what is it?
No.
If you was to make,
White Castle in Kentucky.
wait, repeat it again.
Yeah, it is.
You don't bet. Exactly. What does that mean? Why the fuck?
You still make the
It's
projection.
still a win.
It's still a win.
For you? Both.
Both.
Oh, which one you want?
Y'all
Over or
see
under
the
two
Mexican
shots?
place.
1.5. You said
Nah, the way you just slid that donut out is crazy. It is on camera. That shit was crazy. All right, next stop. Get some good eats. On our way back, but we gonna go ahead and get us some.
we got America. We got blue, red, white, and then we got the whole rainbow.
Oh yeah.
We sponsored by ATLE.
Sponsored by ATLE. He don't want to tell us. Look,
He don't know that.
you see, he's a rich man. He's been alive for a long time. You see the Olympics from 1996 in Atlanta? He has it. Woo! Both Tommy's beer, both.
Of course, the first one. Exactly.
You gotta be the first one in line. Ooh. Dog in him. All right, so we are finally back. Gonna go ahead and cut this weekend to be complete. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.